Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your Next.js project for free. So we'll use here Vercel. So let me show you step by step how you can actually do this. Let me show you at first my project, and here is the project. Okay, Next.js blog website project. So I have actually upload all the files and folder related to this project in the GitHub. So you have to go to the GitHub at first, github.com, and then in GitHub you have to actually create a repository. So we'll click here new to create new repository, and here we have to give a repository name, let's say Vercel. Okay, and here we will actually go for this option and check it if it is public or not. So select public here, then click here create repository. So we have created. Now we'll click here uploading an existing file, and here we'll actually drag and drop all the file, project related file. So I'll select all of them and I will actually drag and drop them here. And if it is not working, then you can actually select from here, choose your file, and after that from here in the project, here you can see this is the project, right? So we'll actually go inside the project and we'll select all of them, Ctrl A, and then open. Here you can see uploading every single file. Now here we have to select commit changes because everything is uploaded here. And here you can see this is the directory test Next.js Vercel. Now we'll go to the Vercel.com. Here you can see currently I'm in Vercel.com homepage. So if you type here Vercel.com, you'll come to directories to this page, and if you are not logged in, you have to actually sign up at first and then you have to log in. Okay, and here click here add new. Here you can see add new, and if I select project here, and here you can see it will actually take me to this page, and here you will find all the projects related to your GitHub. So what you have to do, you have to connect your GitHub account here. In the Vercel, here you can see you have option here add GitHub account. So just click here and add your GitHub account. I already added it here, you can see. Now I will select the repository or project I have created here. You can see test Next.js Vercel, and here you can see. So we will actually click here import, and here we go. And now everything is done here. So we're done. So we'll click here deploy.